So the machine learning and AI in general, I mean, it's gonna make our life better. I mean, it can have also some bad effects, but as long as we are policing it, it's gonna do great things for us. So my father was an electrical engineer. So from early childhood, I used to go to his company, play with all these instruments. I mean, they were all, really high level stuff. So I was interested in, doing electronics in general. So I did my undergrads in electronic and electrical engineering. Then for master's degree, I went through control engineering. So I did both of those back in Iran. And then I created my own company over there. And then I said, I need to do PhD. I applied for it in the US, and then I got full scholarship in Utah State University under a grant from NASA. After that, I joined UVU. I'm teaching a course of machine learning at UVU. So when I joined here, I said, you know what, even though computer science may have some machine learning course, I want to develop something meaningful for our engineering students, mainly electrical and computer engineering students. And the course I designed is fully project-based. So there is no midterm, there is no final, but it's really challenging because the students have to work on bi-weekly projects, and then they have to work on one big machine learning project at the end. So I see students at first, they're scared of machine learning. They don't know even how to implement it. But as we go through the class, they're gonna learn about the theory. And then as we work on small coding, they're not gonna be scared anymore. So toward the end, you see they are applying, all these cool recent machine learning technologies. The other thing I'm implementing in this course is the most recent technology. For example, this semester, I taught this machine learning course, and as I was teaching it, I figured out, okay, YOLO version 8, this is a deep learning architecture, just came out. I said, why not? Let's implement it in class. And the students loved it because they figured out, okay, I'm implementing something really brand new. And we did some experiment with the face detection in class using small tail drones, and they loved it because they could actually see the application of it in real time. So I have this grant, it's about $1 million. It's from Utah System of Higher Education, Deep Tech Talent Technology. This is about developing a fully automated system for wind turbine inspection using commercial drones. So in the old days, the wind turbine had to be stopped. And then they were crew, they had to use cranes and go on top, use ropes, and do the visual inspection. With the drone technology these days, what they do, they are manually using the drone to inspect the wind turbine. The way I'm trying to developing it, it's just making it fully automated. Think about you have a Spanish Fork wind farm. So we have created a software that, you just click on the software and say start, and the drone can fly and get there, do the inspection, and come back. Once it takes the images around the blades and everything else, then the images will go to the software again, and it uses our developed deep learning and machine learning algorithms and detects the anomalies or cracks, whatever it is in it. And then it goes through some mechanical stuff to do the fatigue life. And then it will create some reports. So the supervisor will look at it and say, okay, this wind turbine is red, meaning that it's flagged, so we need to inspect it again a month from now. Or, it's healthy, so let's re-inspect it 6 months from now. Or it's really, there is some big damage, so you need to change the blades. So out of this research, and it's really applied research, students do their stuff. I mean, they do the coding, we do the training, and then they have to go out and actually do the mission and to make sure it's robust and it works. This project has impacts on both the students, the faculty, and also the industry. They are increasing the number of wind turbines all around the world, including the US. So with the increase, then the maintenance is going to be a big deal. Using drones is going to help, reduce the amount of time and energy and money that is needed for inspecting these wind turbines. So they are learning something that is really the need of the job market that can help the renewable energy industry for the future.